We are back again with another bread recipe. This was very good, and just look at the softness. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes, and please, you will love my other bread recipes. So after watching this video, do not hesitate to go through my videos and then watch the other bread recipes. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. In my bowl, I have my 1.5 cups of water. I've added a tablespoon of yeast. I'm just going to add a tablespoon of sugar. I'll just give it a mix and then keep it in a one place for some time till the yeast is active. When it is active, it will be bubble on top, just like how you are seeing on the screen. You can as well use milk for this recipe instead of the water. Okay, I've added my 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and then I'm just going to add the next ingredients. But before that, the liquid that you'll be using, you make sure you add extra 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons to it. Okay, that is just by the way. I've added my 1/4 cup of sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice and that should be okay. Now I'll go ahead and add my nutmeg. So I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. You can use cinnamon if that is what you want, but we just want the original Ghana sugar bread flavor, so we are going to stick to the nutmeg instead of adding the cinnamon. I'll go ahead and then mix this very well until we achieve that dough, and then we can proceed. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Do well to follow us, please, for more videos. If you want short videos that are a minute and less than a minute videos, but the recipes are very detailed, please follow us on all social media platforms, including YouTube Shorts. Okay, and trust me, you will fall in love with our recipe. Thank you once again, my returning subscribers. I am so grateful for your help, for coming here all the time to watch our video, and also thank you so much for watching our video from Vlogmas Day 1 till today. I don't know when I will upload this video, but thank you so much. Now this is the result we have gotten. Okay, do not be afraid that the thing will stick to your hand. So you are not going to prepare bread, whether you like it or not, it is going to stick to your hand. So you just have to keep it in mind. Okay, and then concentrate. That is just by the way. We are just going to continue on our working surface. We are coming to knead the dough. This is where the work is a bit hard. Not hard. If you keep it in mind that it is hard, you are not going to do it. It is not hard. So we are just going to knead it with our butter. You can use margarine and you are okay. Knead it, stretch it backwards then towards you, just like how you are seeing on the screen. And once again, it is going to stick to your hand and to the working surface, so you got to keep that in mind. Okay, stretch it and then knead it very well. You are not going to knead this for just 3 minutes and say you are done, or 5 minutes and say you are done, but you have to knead it very well, okay, for at least 40 minutes. Oh yes, and then you are good to go. Should you get tired, just leave the dough there, let it rest for about 3 minutes or 5 minutes, and when you come back you will realize that it has become soft. Then you proceed from there. Yes, it also works very well, but do not leave it there like 40 minutes and come back and then continue from there. Okay, that one, it has doubled in size already. So yeah, now as you can see, it has stick to my hand too much, so I will just go ahead and then add my butter to it and then continue with the kneading. Okay, so I get that perfect outcome I am looking for. Instead of adding flour to it so that it doesn't stick to your hand, use butter for that. Okay, so that is why you have to add the butter to it bit by bit. Okay, you don't add all at once. Okay, now we are done kneading our dough, and I'm just going to keep this in the one place for about 42 an hour, and I will get back. So after an hour, this is how it looks. Okay, yes, it depends. Sometimes if the place is hot, you can just keep it in one place for about 30 minutes and it should be okay. But on this very day, the place wasn't hot. Okay, now after we come back, we will just cut it according to the size that we want. Okay, if you want it big, you are good to go. If you want to bake all at like one or whole, you are good to go. Anyhow you want to do your bread, that is up to you. But I am going in for this round shape, just like donut like way, and then from there I'll show you what to do. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching. Can you please like the video for me? If you do that, I'll be very happy. Okay, thank you so much. I will now go behind camera and then continue everything. When I'm done, I'll come back. So we are actually done, and I have arranged everything in my baking pan. I'm just going to put this in the oven, and when it is ready, I will come back. Welcome back. Just look at that outcome. Very soft and perfect. It looks so delicious. So I forgot to tell you this. Okay, I rub the top with my egg wash. Okay, egg only, and that is why it looks very brown like that. It was very soft and delicious. I will be very happy to see your feedback. So if you try it, let me see it in the comment section. I believe this video was helpful, and if it was helpful, please do not forget to like it. Thank you so much once again, and please do also watch our other bread recipes, which I know you will fall in love with them. So I come your way next time. Do not forget that God is with you, and whatever thing you are going through, it is going to be well. Okay, I will see you in the next video. You can't afford to miss this particular one. I'll be bringing. So click on the bell icon if you haven't done that after subscribing. Yes, I will see you soon. Bye bye.